Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Jeep Wrangler 2-door hardtop. First, gather your tools, including a T50 Torx bit and a ratchet. Make sure you have a clean, level area to safely store the hardtop once it's off. It's also highly recommended to have a friend help you with the lifting process to prevent damage or injury. Next, you'll need to disconnect the electrical harness and the washer fluid hose. These are typically found on the driver's side, near the rear corner of the hardtop. Carefully press the release tab on the electrical connector and pull it apart. Then, gently detach the washer fluid hose, being mindful of any remaining fluid. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more Jeep tips. And speaking of fresh starts, after all that hard work, your Jeep might need a little refresh. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice. It's a quick recommendation to keep your ride smelling great. You can find the link and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now it's time to remove the fasteners holding the hardtop in place. You'll find 6 Torx bolts in total. 2 are located inside the Jeep, above the front seats, and 4 are in the cargo area. Use your T50 Torx bit to loosen and remove all of them. Don't forget to unlatch the 2 clamps securing the front freedom panels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.